Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here, EminiTradingPit.com. Hopefully you've had an awesome holiday, very Merry Christmas, and time to get back into the markets. So this is what I'm seeing as a longer term chart. So you had December of 2021, we had a high around that 48.10, 48.22 level, and we've had, I'm counting this as a W, X, and a Y. I use Elliott wave, and that's what I'm counting this. We had an ABC up, followed by some rejection. And, when this was happening, I like to point out a lot of people were thinking this was going to end up becoming an impulsive wave up and we were going to new highs. I was always against that. You can look back on some of my older videos and see that I was always against it. Once we got that C, it was a beautiful short, and it's possible we can count this as an impulse down. You can also count this a different way. But anyway, we have this move down here, and we don't have a partner to it yet. We had an ABC up, and now, we're getting this move down here, and this looks to me like this could be an A, a B, and a C. The other way to count it would be that this begins to move down. So once this starts, it could begin to move down. We'll see in the next couple days which one this actually is, because if this is an A, a B, and a C, and I can zoom out a little bit on this. So if this is A, this is a B here, and this is a C, then what you're going to want to see, overuse of the letter C, I guess, is a move up above 39.20. If this can move above 39.20, then this is your ABC, and we're looking for something to move higher. Now, the other scenario on the move up would be that this is the beginning of the move. So you're going to get a move up and then another move down, and then you're going to find support, and then you're going to get a move up. Now, that move up is going to be temporary, obviously. We're not looking for new highs because that doesn't make sense. This is an A, a B, and a C, which means it's a corrective move up. So if that is going to happen, we get the move up followed by a move down to find support and push up again. We're looking for an end of this move here. So basically a partner leg of this move, and then we're going to find some resistance, and then we're going to see the market come down again. So those would be the two scenarios moving higher. Now, if this is going to move lower, it's going to do so a couple different ways. Now, that higher move, maybe it moves up and back down. Technically, that would be lower because I would expect that move to break this low here. Lower to new lows is what I was alluding to. That would be, this move should get weaker. And until it actually does, I'm looking at a possible move higher. And then if it does actually break down, I want to see it break down substantially. So let's go down here to the hourly chart, and then we can talk about it on this time frame. So basically on this time frame, we can look at this as a completion, and now we're having this move up and this move down. So now we want it to come somewhere up in this vicinity, somewhere between 39.30, you could argue 39.33 to 3,900. So somewhere in there you want to see price come to, and then you want to see that rejection. Ideally the lower the better. So if it finds resistance around that 38.90 to 38.70, if it finds resistance in there, that would be a perfect world where we're going to see the market sell off again. And it should be quite a large sell-off. So let's see here if I move this up, and I look at it this way. And so if it stops here, if it goes higher, I'm going to look at it as going a little higher. And then I'm looking for price to move below 35.80 and below 35.60. So we're looking at this. If that's what's going to happen, if this is going to start this weakness, then whenever it comes up here, you want to see it start to sell off. And you want to see it sell off pretty hardcore. And if we go back out to the daily, so we already know 35.60 is our level. We don't really need this because 35.60 is already on the chart. Let's go back out to the daily and move down a little bit, and let's zoom out a little bit. So we're looking for a move below 35.60. If it's going to be weak, we know this low is going to be taken out. 34.91, so 34.91.58, but we'll call it 34.91. So 35.60 is going to be taken out. Look, we're looking for 34.91 to also be taken out. So if this is going to start selling off, then that's what we want to see. Any move up, you want to see it drop dramatically. If it comes up and it drops lethargically, then look for possible support, which could turn into a move higher. So that's kind of what I'm watching here. Which one of those scenarios is going to play out with the market? You know, it makes sense that we do get a little bit more of a rally, and then come early spring, market gets smacked down. That makes sense. If it does sell off from here, then that's going, I would think that would be that last leg down. So that's really what I'm watching. Really couple scenarios, either it moves up or it continues lower. That's kind of what I'm watching here very intently, because one of those is going to play out. And just know, you know, 35.60, 34.91, those are our two areas that if one of them breaks, you know, it's going lower, you expect the other one to break. So that's kind of what I'm watching right now. It's going to be very interesting. I haven't done a market video in a while, so I wanted to get something out and, you know, get my thoughts out there. So hopefully you guys did enjoy that. If you have something different you're looking for, feel free to share in the comment section below. You know, I share my thoughts in this, and I'm good at doing what I do, you know, but always enjoy intellectual debate. So with that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you around the markets. Take care.